asking, are there indicators or signs which are invisible to us? If yes, then how could we identify in that situation that person is in distress?
The best thing here to do is not go digging about, what is going on with the person. Because usually when a person is going through either way an emotional distress, or even if it's, related to anything, it is visible. It is something that you can notice about someone. And if you think that, there is a problem with someone, or they're going through distress but you cannot see it, then it probably um, isn't what they probably aren't experiencing it. Or they probably don't want it to share with certain people or share with everybody. So I think the best way is to not go overboard with diagnosing or understanding, what the problem is, or where is it coming from, or digging out that might actually make things worse, even might affect your relationship with the person. So I think just give the space to people to come and talk to you about it, or if you notice, approach it, and you can keep it simple. And to that, I don't think that there is anything that is invisible in that sense.
To become suddenly mental health detectives, if I can use that term, and start to dig out the mental health history of people or what they are experiencing. But I think I can see where the question is coming from. I think one of the things to be aware here is, why are you concerned about the possibility of the other person experiencing emotional distress? So if you're having certain doubts, definitely there would be some background to it. And if the background is that you have noticed something different, I would certainly suggest, in case they are not opening, then monitor it over a period of time, or you can talk to people who are around them to either affirm your doubts or disregard them, and you can be assured that, okay, they are not based in reality, and so on and so forth. But if it is completely unfounded, if your basis of thinking that somebody is going through something is completely unfounded, then the best way would be to respect their space and let them be.